Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Java on Mac OS. Type Java download in browser search bar. Click download free Java software. Click Java download. Click agree and start free download. Click allow. Open download file. Open Java 8 update. Click open. Type your system password. Click install. Java successfully installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.